The MMO extension identifies a Presto Page Manager memo file containing scanned document annotations and organizational metadata. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access or manage these document management memo files. I always keep a Magic software utility on standby for the toughest MMO files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. MMO files are memo annotation files from Presto. Page Manager, a document management and scanning application by Neusoft. They contain text annotations, sticky notes, and organizational metadata associated with scanned documents managed in the Page Manager document library. Presto. Page Manager MMO files use a proprietary format, storing text annotation content position coordinates, page references, and memo metadata linked to specific document pages in the Page Manager image library database. The operating system preferentially attempts to open MMO using Presto, Page Manager from Neusoft Technology Corporation. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows can show simple elements, but full creative control requires a specialized editor. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your MMO file and click Open with. Test with Presto. Page Manager first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. When your MMO file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This is a truly stubborn MMO file. To find the error's source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, accessing memos. Open Presto Page Manager and navigate to the document associated with the MMO memo file. Annotations and sticky notes appear overlaid on the scanned document pages. Click on Memo Markers to view the full annotation text and metadata. Next, Managing Annotations. In Page Manager, click on Annotation Tools to add, edit, or delete memos associated with scanned documents. Modify memo texts, reposition annotations, and change formatting. Save changes to update the MMO file with your current annotation state. Finally, migrating documents. If migrating from Page Manager, export annotated documents as PDF, which preserves annotations as PDF comments. Alternatively, print annotated pages to PDF to flatten annotations into the document image. Import the resulting PDFs into your new document management system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.